Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variable. You can solve your question by two methods. First, graphical method. Second, algebraical method. By graphical method, firstly you find two solution of each equation, then plot it on Cartesian plane. In this way you can solve your question by graphical method. By algebraical method, there are three types of algebraical method. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. If a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, unique solution and consistent system. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, no solution and inconsistent system. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line, infinitely many solution and consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the word. Form. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variable. For equation, first equation, second equation. First equation is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is first equation and it is second equation. You can solve your question very easily. It is very easy. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. It means value of a1 is 2, value of b1 is 1. Here you can write 1. Value of c1 is minus 6. Value of a2 4. Value of b2 minus 2. Value of c2 is minus 4. Clear? Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 6 and a2 equal to 4. Here 4, b2 equal to minus 2. Here minus 2. C2 equal to minus 4. You find the value of a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 6, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 4. If a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, if a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line. Unique solution. Unique solution and consistent system. Consistent system. You can find the value of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Here A1 by A2 not equal B1 by B2. A1 by A2 not equal B1 by B2 because A1 2, A2 4. 2 by 4 not equal B1 by B2. 1 by minus 2. 2 by 4 not equal 1 by minus 2. It means it shows intersecting line, unique solution and consistent system. It is clear? If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2, then it shows parallel line. No solution. And inconsistent system. It is clear? If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then it shows coincident line. Coincident line. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions and consistent dependent system. It is clear here. If A1 by A2 equal not equal B1 by B2, then it shows intersecting line, unique solution and consistent system. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2, then it shows parallel line, no solution, inconsistent system. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then it shows coincident line, infinitely many solutions and consistent dependent system. Here A1 by A2 not equal B1 by B2 because 2 by 4 not equal 1 by minus 2. Hence it shows intersecting line, unique solution, consistent system. It means equation first and equation second shows intersecting line, unique solution and consistent system. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next step. Here A1 equal to 2. Clear? You can solve your question by two methods. First, graphical method. Second, algebraical methods. Graphical method, second algebraical methods. It is methods. Clear? Algebraical methods are three types. First, substitution method. Substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. All methods are clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Graphical method. By graphical method, we find two solutions of each equation. Here, equation first, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. It is equation first. We find two solutions, x, y, x, y. Here, you can put the value of y is 0. Here 0, it becomes 0, and here the value of x 3, it becomes 3 to the 6, plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. It means it is satisfy the equation first. Your coordinate is 3, 0. Here you put the value of x is 0. Here 0, it becomes 0. Value of y is 6. It becomes 6 plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. It means it is satisfy the equation first. Your coordinate 0 and 6. Next equation second, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation second. You find two solutions of equation second. X, y, x, y. Here you put the value of y is 0. It becomes 0. Here the value of x 1. It becomes 4. Plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. It means it is satisfy the equation second. Your coordinate is 1, 0. Next time you put the value of x 0, it becomes 0, and here you put minus 2. Minus 2 multiply minus 2 become plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. It means your coordinate is 0 minus 2. You find two solutions of each equation. Now plot it on Cartesian plane. Plot it on Cartesian plane. Plot it on Cartesian plane. Here it is Cartesian plane. X dash, y dash. X dash is abscissa. X dash is said to be abscissa, and y dash is ordinate. Ordinate. Y dash is ordinate, x dash is abscissa. Intersecting point of abscissa and ordinate is called origin. It is origin. Abscissa, ordinate and origin is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now plot points 3, 0. 3 means at abscissa on positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3. 0 means at origin. It means point 30 is here. 30. Point A is here. Now plot 0 and 6. 0 at origin, 6 at ordinate on positive direction. Clear? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means point B 06 is here. Now join point A to B and produce it. Line AB is according to equation first. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. It is according to equation first. Now plot point 1, 0 and 0 minus 1. 1, 0, 1 at x-axis on positive direction. Here 1, 0 at origin. It means your point C. 1, 0 is here. 1, 0. It is point C. You find point C. Now plot 0 and minus 2. 0 at origin, minus 2 at ordinate on negative direction, because here minus 2. Here 1, 2. It means 0 minus 2. Point D is here. You find point C and point D. Join point C and D and produce it on both sides. It is point C and D is according to equation second. Second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 0. You plot all points on Cartesian plane and you solve your question by graphical method. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next step. By algebraical methods. By algebraical method. First, substitution method. Substitution method. You write equation first and equation second. Here 2x plus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. You can write it as y equal to 6 minus 2x. Here y equal to 6 minus 2x. You write minus 6 on right side of equal. It become plus 6. Here 2x right on right side. It become minus 2x. It means you find y equal to 6 minus 2x. Equation second. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is equation second. Now you substitute the value of y equal to 6 minus 2x in equation second. Put the value of y equal to 6 minus 2x in equation second. Clear? Put the value of y equal to 6 minus 2x in equation second. Second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 4x minus 2 multiply. Here value of y is 6 minus 2x. 6 minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 4x minus 6 to the 12 plus 2 to the 4x. Here minus 2x minus 2 become plus 4x. Minus 4 equal to 0. Here 4x plus 4x plus 4x become 8x. Here minus 12 minus 4 become minus 16 equal to 0. You can write minus 16 on right side of equal. It become 8x equal to 16 or x equal to 2. Here 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. You find x equal to 2. Now put the value of x equal to 2 in equation. Put x equal to 2 in equation first. Clear? First equation is here y equal to 6 minus 2x. 2x. It is equation first. Y equal to 6 minus 2 multiply 2. Value of x is 2. It become y equal to 6 minus 4. 2 2 ja 4. Y equal to 2. You find the value of x equal to 2 and value of y equal to 2. It means the coordinate of point E, intersecting point E, is 2 and 2. Coordinate x y equal to 2 2. It is intersecting point or the coordinate of intersecting point. Clear? You solve your question by substitution method and you find the value of x and y, 2 and 2. It is clear? Substitution method is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Next step. By elimination method. By elimination method. Write equation first and equation second. Here 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, equation first, and equation second is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now multiply by 4 in equation first and multiply by 2 in equation second. Here multiply by 4 in equation first. 4 2 जा 8x plus 4 1 जा 4 y minus 4 6 जा 24 equal to 0. It is equation third. Multiply by 2 in equation second. Equation second. Second equation 2 4 जा 8 8x 2 2 जा 4 minus 4 y 2 4 जा 8 minus 8 equal to 0. It is equation 2. You find equation third and equation third and equation fourth. Now subtract equation third from equation 4. Subtract equation third from equation four. Subtract equation third from equation 4. Equation third 8x plus 4y minus 24 equal to 0. It is equation third. Write equation 4. 8x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Subtract it. Subtract. Firstly you change its sign. Here minus, here plus, here plus. It plus 8x minus 8x cut. Plus 4y plus 4y become 8y minus 24 plus 8 become plus 60 minus 60 equal to 0. Here minus 24 and here plus 8. You subtract it, it become minus 16. 8y minus 16 equal to 0. Now write minus 16 on right side of equal. It become 8y equal to 16. Cut it. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja. You find y equal to 2. You find the value of y equal to 2. Now put the value of y equal to 2 in equation first, or equation second, or equation third, or equation 4. Put y equal to 2 in equation first. Put it in equation first. Here equation first is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Y equal to 2. 2x plus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Here plus 2 minus 6 become minus 4. You write minus 4 on right side of equal. 2x equal to 4. It become plus 4. You cut it. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. You find x equal to 2. Hence coordinate net x y equal to 2 and 2. You find the coordinate x y equal to 2 and 2. You solve your question by elimination method. Elimination method is clear, no confusion about it. Very good, it is very easy. Next step, by cross multiplication method. Graphical method clear, elimination method clear, substitution method clear. Now cross multiplication method. Method. Cross multiplication method. Here b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2. You can find the coordinate of x and y by this method. Value of x equal to here b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Put the value of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. b1 means here 1. c2 means minus 4, here minus 4. Minus b2 means minus 2. C1 means minus 6 upon A1 B2. A1 means 2. B2 means minus 2. A2 B1. A2 means 4. B1 means 1. Solve it. Here 4 1 ja 4. Here minus 6 multiply minus 2 become plus 12. Here minus 2 multiply 2 become minus 4. 4 multiply 1 4. Here 4, here plus and minus become minus. Minus 12 upon minus 4 and minus 4 become minus 8. Minus 4 minus 4. Subtract it become minus 8 upon here minus here minus 4 and minus 12 become minus 16. Here minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 cut minus 4 8 1 ja 8 8 2 ja 16. It become 2 by 1. You find the value of x equal to 2. Y equal to, you find value of x equal to 2. Here coordinate of y c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Put the value. C1 means minus 6. Multiply. A2 means 4. C2 means minus 4. A1 means 2. A1 B2. A1 means 2. B2 minus 2. A2 means 4. B1 means 1. Solve it. Minus 6 multiply 4. It become minus 24. Minus 4 multiply 2. It become minus 8. Minus 2 multiply 2 become minus 4. 4 multiply 1 become 4. Here minus 24. Here minus and here minus. You can write minus 24 plus 8. Minus and minus become plus 8. Here minus 4 and minus 4. Y equal to, here you subtract it. It become minus 16 and it become minus 8. Cut it. Here minus and minus. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 equal to 2. You find x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. Hence coordinate x y equal to 2 and 2. You solve your question by cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Cross multiplication method, elimination method, substitution method and graphical method all are very easy. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share.